what do you want for Christmas this year?
I want an Aprilaire 213 replacement air filter with high performance and contaminant trapping ability.
No, you'll shoot your eye out.
Yeah, I guess. I'll probably just ask for some socks or something.
You had to go to this TPS report? Outstanding.
I want an Aprilaire 213 replacement air filter with high performance and contaminant trapping ability.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid. And I'm not Santa Claus.
You'll shoot your eye out. You'll shoot your eye out.
Dear Santa, for Christmas this year, I want an Aprilaire 213 replacement air filter with high performance and containment trapping ability. That sounds good. Oh, contaminant trapping ability. He'll understand.
So did you get everything you wanted for Christmas this year?
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey Dad, I think there's one more gift by the tree over there.
What? Where? Whoa! An Aprilaire 213 replacement furnace filter.
Furnace needs a new one every 6 months.
Can I try it?